the CV axle for 2015 Fiat 500 1.4 turbo. Um, so for somehow the first video how to remove the axle, couldn't find it, but I'm gonna show you how to install the axle, and that's gonna give you an idea how to remove the axle. So okay, so actually this axle only comes this whole part right here, so you need to you need to add this grease, the CVT grease for the CV axle. So you need to buy it. We get this from Advance Auto, and you need to also put the clamp right here. So basically it only comes with this part right here, and this part is $400 on the dealer. So it's crazy, but it's what it is. As you can see, it's for Mopar. So you need to remove the old one, remove it from here, clean it inside here, add new grease, and just install the new boot with a clamp. So it's time to reinstall the CV axle. Alright, so when I install the CV axle there, so it should be going in there, and now we're going to reinstall the number 10 bolts. We only have 3 to reinstall, so it's time to reinstall the Okay, so I got the number 10 bolts in place, so you can torque this at 9 foot-pounds. So now it's time to put the cover down here, and then we're gonna move to this side to put everything back together. Okay, so to remove the cover from down here, you only need to remove 6 bolts number 10. Okay, so now, so as you can see here, I remove the caliper, those 2 bolts from the strut, and this one right here, this CV axle nut is number 36. So I also removed the speed sensor, and I put my hook here on the brake caliper. So now we're gonna reinstall everything. There you go. Oh, this is the part number, by the way. This is all the numbers, the port number, and here it is. Those numbers right here. Okay, so then we're gonna install these pins here. This is number 15, and this nut right here is 17. So right here. And some plate. Alright guys, so we on one side want to hold it with a wrench and the other one with a socket. So we're gonna torque this 65 foot-pounds. Okay. We're gonna do 65 foot-pounds in this one too. And now it's time to install the rudder. So you need to reinstall this little screws here to hold the rudder, and this one's gonna help you to align the wheel. So this is number 12. This one and this one. Okay, so now I'm gonna reinstall the caliper. If you want to remove the caliper with the bracket, this is number 13. And the bolts for the bracket is number 19. Okay, so let's start. Alright, so now I'm gonna put those two. You can torque those 85 foot-pounds. So I'm gonna get this one. This one right here. Then when I install the speed sensor, there you go. So for this one, I use T27. So for this one I use 5mm 6-point. And then I need to install this one. So we're gonna torque this 65 foot-pounds. Alright, so we're gonna torque this at 229 foot-pounds. 229 foot-pounds. I'm using a 36. Torque at 226. And we're gonna torque this nut. You can see now is torque. Alright. So now we're gonna use this little chisel here. I'm gonna hit it right here to lock the nut. Okay. Okay, guys. So you can see now is locked. So basically, the things you need to remove is this nut bolts right here, the caliper, the speed sensor, these two bolts right here, this nut right here, this piece right here, and the three bolts are down there. So basically that's it, guys, and this clip right here. Okay, so I'm sorry I don't have the first video that had to remove the axle. I couldn't find it, but I hope this video helped you to you watch it and to remove it. So it's basically everything in reverse. Alright guys, thank you for everything, and thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you next time.